One of the new screenshot features makes it really easy to save whole web pages and whole documents as PDF files. Normally, when you take a screenshot by holding the lock and the home buttons together, you just capture what's actually on the screen. And you can save this normally to your photos or your files. But if you go to the top and if you press full page, you can actually get a screenshot of everything on that document or that web page. And you can use the right-hand side to scroll up and down. Of course, you can then use the markup tools if you want to annotate that document. And when you're finished, you can press done in the top corner, and you can choose to save that straight to your files as a PDF document. You can then go to your Files app, find that document again, and if you want to add any more annotations to it, you can, or you can share it, organise it, or do whatever you want to do with that newly made PDF document. It's a really cool feature to have in iPadOS and iOS 13.